Hello, hello, hello. It's Davida. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. Welcome. Today, I am doing a pour that involves this. My new favorite little utensil that helps me do a schmear. Okay, so we're working with 3 colors today, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get to painting. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Okay, so our first color is going to be Amsterdam's Payne's Gray. Then we're going to go in with a little DecoArt Metallics Peacock Pearl and Academy Acrylics. This is an Unbleached Titanium White. This is a repurposed canvas, and just doing a little quick video for you. My white is a mixture of Artist Loft Flow White and some floetrol. Look at that gobbledygook. I hate that. So I'm going to spin it just to get that white to spread a little on the canvas. And let's pop some of those bubbles. So I'm going to lay down the Payne's Gray first, followed by, maybe a little bit more Payne's Gray. Okay. Followed by the Peacock Pearl. I really love this color. And let's do that again. Alrighty. Now let's add a little of that Unbleached Titanium White. And actually that brand is Grumbacher, I believe it's pronounced. And adding a little bit more white because I want to make sure that my corners are covered. I'm using a white cell activator, which is Amsterdam's titanium white, and water. And I am going to Schmear that cell activator, and let's see what happens. Look at those little pearls pop up as I spin it. This is a controlled spin. and it's looking favorable. I'm thinking, let's, oops, let's spin. Yeah. Okay, not bad. All right. Now I think I want to add a little bit more white to the middle after I get my corners covered. I like the way that turned out so nicely that I decided to do it again. This time I added the colors in a little bit different layering. Unfortunately, I didn't record that part, but let's go with our smear, and you'll see it's a totally different outcome. I use the untinted titanium white in between the Payne's gray and the Peacock pearl, and that titanium white is dominant in the center now. So the same three colors layered differently gave us a whole different outcome. So to add a little bit more color to the center, I decided to Schmear some cell activator and the Peacock pearl right in the center. There. That just added a little bit more color to it. I think kind of balanced it a little better. I want to spin it. Uh-oh, it's looking a little wonky. But that's all right. We're going to work with what we have. Not too bad. Now we're going to get those edges and make sure everything is covered. Let's give it one more little spin. I think we achieved a very nice pour with using just 3 colors. Less is more, people. Less is more. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for tuning in. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Sunday, collab, 3 p.m. See you there. Bye.